What I gotta have you do is just hop out for me real quick, man, just because you don't have your license on you, okay? Nope.
Jake's fear of being caught led him to make a reckless decision. He accelerated, initiating a high-speed chase with the police. Jake weaved in and out of traffic, narrowly avoiding collisions with other vehicles. The police pursued him, their sirens blaring. As the chase continued, Jake's desperation grew. In a moment of panic, he lost control of the car and collided with a box truck, causing a devastating accident. The collision left both Jake and the driver of the box truck critically injured. The once vibrant red Chevy Cruze now lay mangled and unrecognizable. Jake's impulsive decision to drive without a license had tragic consequences. It serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible driving and the potential dangers of evading the law.
Just parallel. All right, we got the lead again from center line. He's jumping through the grass just south of 10 and east on Lawrence. Somebody go to Sherwood in 10 mile for me. All right, we're by that apartment complex just east of Sherwood, coming out to 10. All right, west on 10. You're good, clear, sorry.
Yep. Approaching Sherwood.
Through Sherwood. All right, who's ever on Mount Block for us, please? Give him some roll.
Yep.
Traffic holding. Through Mount. Speed's 80 coming up to Snowy Ryan. Center lane. Speed's 100. Alright, he's slowing for Ryan. It's a red.
Oh, fuck.
1050 into a box truck. He's underneath the box truck. Airbags deployed. Let's shut this intersection.